They were cool. They weren't. I mean, they weren't jerks, but we were really
Hey,
cool.
No, we're good. It's just
All right, see you guys. No, that was my
Bro, you just made that Iron Man, bro?
That's a cop. That's a cop. I don't know, man. I'm about to do one more round. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move around, man. How long you staying, Fred? I just want to see who all gonna come down here. That's it. I like that there. That Nissan hard. Oh yeah, that's definitely a Rice Rock. He got the Japanese license plate and everything. That's a motherfucking yeah, that motherfucking hard right there. I like that. That's hard. That's a Nissan too. That's hard. I fucks with that. First car meet, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just getting some video footage, man, some vlog footage, SRTs, imports, import. This is hard. Yeah, I'm just out here representing for the imports. You know, everybody got SRTs, RTs, Hellcats, Mustang 5.0s, so on and so forth. But I'm out here with that WRX, STI, you feel me? Just out here representing for the imports and shit. Hard though. The motherfuckers is hard though. I ain't even gonna lie, man. They got some alright cars out here, you feel me? That's my baby right there. It's my baby, dog.